Welcome, Jefferson families. Today we'll be sharing information regarding daily student arrival, dismissal, and walker procedures. Please know that all changes in this process, as with all decisions, are made with student safety in mind first and convenience as a secondary consideration. Please be sure that students are aware of their afternoon dismissal expectations to limit confusion for everyone involved. We appreciate your willingness to follow and respect these procedures. Morning arrival traffic will flow through the pull-out drive in front of the playground off Westmoreland through the entry of F and G streets, from Center Street, or from D Street to the lower pull-out drive off of Westmoreland. The area of road directly in front of the school from the crosswalk to the lower pull-out drive will be closed during the morning arrival time from 7:45 until 8:30 a.m. All students arriving by car or walking are to use the main entrance at the front of the building. The front doors will open at 7:45 a.m. Please do not leave students unsupervised prior to the doors being opened at 7:45 a.m. Bus riders will be dropped off at the cafeteria doors. Please do not drop your children off for any reason at the cafeteria doors. All staff have been instructed not to open those doors unless students are arriving by bus. So please do not put staff or students in the situation to redirect or to be redirected. Please ensure car tags are clearly visible to allow efficiency of students being called to their cars. If car tags are needed, please contact the office and the tags will be sent home in the student's folder. Kindergarten parents should approach the school by using F Street when picking up students at the end of the day. Please be mindful, parents, of not blocking driveways. Traffic will flow by turning left on Westmoreland Avenue and proceed to the pull-out drive in front of the playground area. Students will exit from the gym doors beginning at 3:25 p.m. This is for kindergarten students. Traffic will exit via E Street. Westmoreland Avenue will be closed from E to D during dismissal. If the kindergarten student has an older sibling, the older student will join the younger student in the gym for dismissal. Grades 1 through 5 parents should approach the school using G Street for dismissal. Turn left onto Overlook Road and proceed accordingly. This is a one-way street from 3 until 3:45 p.m. Cars will stop along the back porch area and students will exit the back doors once traffic has been stopped. Once dismissed from the loading area, traffic will proceed to D Street to Center Street. Please note that Westmoreland Avenue will be closed from D to E during dismissal time. Recognizing that some parents may prefer to exit on E Street, it is suggested to use the alley behind Morgan Tire Center from D Street to access E Street. Otherwise, proceed to Center Street via D Street. Walkers are identified as students whose home address is within a mile of the school and are walking from the doors of the school to the door of their homes. Walkers should not be walking to a car for dismissal unless the car is parked in their own driveway, not in the school parking lot or along the curb. The change in school start and end times resulted in buses and cars arriving simultaneously to pick up students, and we need to limit the congestion of the walker population to only those students who are actually walking to their homes. We appreciate your respect and adherence to this change for the safety of our students and staff. Walkers will be dismissed at 3:30 p.m. through the main entrance. If your child is normally a walker but is being picked up by a car on a particular day, please communicate that to your child's teacher. Car pickup tags are recommended for walkers as there will be a rainy, snowy, or cold days in which you may want to pick up your child and will need the car tag to do so efficiently. Car tags can be picked up in the office at any time during the school year. Please refer to school procedures when on special occasions picking up your walker by car. Please also be reminded that walkers are not supervised upon exiting the building. If a student is considered a walker, he or she is free to exit the building as planned at 3:30 p.m. and make their way to their home. We encourage an adult walk to the school to walk with his or her child or children for the optimum safety purposes. If you have any questions regarding the arrival and dismissal procedures, please contact Jefferson Elementary at the main office at 423-378-2270.